Hey guys, Don Cameron here. Just wanted to give you a quick video on how to change the front brake pads on a Victory Vision Tour 2014 model. Watched Witch Doctors, and they were doing an '08 highball, I think, and they were saying that they're basically all the same, and that's bullshit. They're not all the same. This is different. Okay, so it's real simple. I've already got this bolt here partially pulled out, but if you pull these puppies out, then first you want to make sure you check the positioning of your existing brake pads. Just kind of look and see how they're put in there, and they go back in relatively simple. You just got to make sure that clip, this thing here, that little angle, sits in there properly, and you can view it from both sides. The front's so much easier than the back. Anyway, you just pull this out. And basically when you pull it out, the clips, the brake pads on the other side, they just fell out. So I'm not sure if they're going to do it on this side, but let's see. No. Okay, so you do want to make a little clearance. So I typically push on the brake pad caliper instead of putting a screwdriver there and scratching up the calipers, or the disc rather, just to give some pressure and relief. Okay, so like I said, once you get that bolt out, sorry for the video, a little blurry, a little fuzzy, fix that shit. Okay, and the pads, basically, like I said, once you push on that caliper, they kind of just fall right out. All right, real simple. Replace this this backing here. Put this backing on the replacement pad. Slide the pads back in. Put the bolt back in. Done. That's it. But it's different than what you see on Witch Doctors. Okay, peace out.